Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, we are going to bake a cake and celebrate Matthew's 40th birthday. Woohoo! Can't believe, oh la la, 40, 40 already. 40, when I meet Matthew at 30. No, my 40. Wow, 40.
Hello, hi guys.
Alright, stop, mix up the flour. Mix doucement. No. You know what is this? Baking powder.
Je continue.
Oui, oui, attends.
Tu me dis stop, hein.
Alright, mix, mix, mix.
Tu me dis stop quand j'arrête de whisker.
And then already just stop it. Just mix. Mix, 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 mix. Alright, mix. Mix. I'm going to tell you when I'm ready for that. Okay? Yeah, this butter never get out long enough. I still make you mix this tomato, yeah? You want to help me mix this?
Oui.
Alright, I'll put this aside.
Tu me dis stop, hein.
Wait, wait, wait. Alright, you can stop now. Just put it right here, so. Now we're gonna make this.
Mais j'avais vu un truc. Ça.
Attention. Oui, oui, oui. Je sais, Maya.
Laisse-moi voir. C'est pourquoi?
Wrong placement. You remember that?
Ah oui, pour mettre un truc dessous et après faire le truc.
Yeah, we're not eating for it. Was everything dropping out. Come, check.
Ça me cassera les oreilles.
No,
Bouchez-vous les oreilles.
hold this. Hold this. Don't let it go yet, you know. Don't press anything. Don't press anything. C'est bon? Come, move a bit here. I'll take out this mug. Ready? Turn it on now. Attends, move on. Lean your hand sideways. Just lean your hand sideways like that. This one, tell one to mix again. You happy? Alright, mix, mix. Spread them all like this. Attends, attends. Non, non, pas encore, mémé, pas encore. Allez, mix donc.
Encore?
Let go. C'est bon, c'est bon.
D'accord.
No, wait. Hold this one.
Lui?
Mm-hmm. Voilà. Hold on, wait.
On le fait juste au milieu. Pas fort, pas très fort.
No, you have to straighten them back in the middle.
Ou ça, en fait, c'est la machine qui me fait tourner.
Baby. Voilà.
On commence?
Attends, pas encore. Be careful, Maya, be careful. C'est bon?
On dirait trop du café.
Non, c'est la vanille.
C'est quoi la vanille?
Ça. So, it smell good?
1, 2.
3. Mot magique?
S'il te plaît. Merci, mamie.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Trouvé baladeur dedans. Alors, mamie.
Maya.
C'est moi qui mets les papiers.
Ben oui, c'est toi qui veux mettre le papier.
Mais je mets pas de papier comme toi.
Non.
Toi, tu mets tes deux papiers.
C'est ça. Un. Voilà. C'est pas grave, tiens. You count them?
1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Il y en a 2.
Voilà.
11 et 12.
Et maintenant, pour ça.
C'est moi qui le fais.
Mais attends, parce que je vais faire doucement.
Je peux le
Mais
faire.
attends, Maya. Maya. Come scrape out the knife.
Hold the spoon like this. Come one more. Wait, because we don't want the cupcake up on the side. Attends. Come scrape out that. Scrape it out. Doucement, Maya. Doucement. Right, now maybe we'll take out back some of them one here because they're having too much. Scrape out. But take time, Maya. Take your time.
J'en offre pas.
Wait. Yeah, go too fast. Scrape out. Scrape out. Scrape out again. Get out everything out of the pan.
Je vais sortir.
Don't have your hand about it and don't make it drop. Give me the spoon now. This one a little bit.
C'est quoi?
C'est pour toi?
C'est bon?
Oui. Attends. This looks like it is a little much on the one. That's much. Hold the cup. Alright, we're gonna put them in